guys! Today is Friday, November 21st. Hindi namin pinapasok si Avery. Last day na lang sana nila before their Thanksgiving break. Meron kasi silang 1 week break para sa Thanksgiving on November 27th. Hindi namin siya pinapasok today kasi ang nangyari, kahapon, nasa school nung sinundo ko siya. Bago ko siya nasundon, tumawag yung nurse. Pumunta pala doon siya sa nurse clinic sa school nila. Pumunta siya doon kasi her eyes were burning daw. So, tinignan ng nurse, Junior, kaya tinawagan ako ng nurse. Yun daw ang sign or indication na magkakasakit. Ayun nga, pagka-pick up ko, yung temperature niya tumaas na, nasa 99.9 na. Pero nung chinek ng nurse, nasa 98.8 pa lang daw. Pero yun nga, kasi nga yung mata niya may init. Umiiyak, kasi nga, she doesn't feel good. So, ayun, may sinat na since last night. So, hindi na namin pinapasok today. What is it now, baby? 99?
What's going on?
Hold them, present hold. Yeah, so ayan, nag-check ko na 99 point, what? 99 point what? Something? Yeah. Yeah, so pero kapag nasa 99 point something up to 101.9, hindi ko siya binibigyan ng gamot. Pag 102 na, ito yun. Binibigyan ko siya ng Tylenol. Hindi naman siya mahirap, may naman kasi flavor naman to. So, may laging nakaready na Tylenol. So, right now, okay siya. Meron siyang konting sipon. Pero sana maalis na, you know. Uso na naman ang sakit, guys. It's 6th season kasi nga malamig na dito. Yung change of weather, yun ang nakakasakit yung bigla. Ang init, lalo na dito sa Las Vegas, ang init. Extreme ang weather, biglang mainit, tapos the next day, lamig. Tapos uulan, di ba? Sa mga vlogs ko, may mga araw na umuulan. So, anong nangyari, I think noong Tuesday, umulan noon eh. Tapos, tumila nung around noon, may PE sila. Pinag-PE. Alam ko na, I knew it. I knew it, she's gonna get sick. Kasi, you know, mother instinct. Every time na uulan, and then nasa school, guaranteed, magkakasakit. Ayan nga, nagkasakit. Ganun yun. Kasi nga, ewan ko ba sa school nila, umulan na, I mean, di ba umulan na, dapat hindi na pinalabas, di ba? Lalo na malamig. Pinalabas pa, nag-PE. Siyempre, naghahabulan yan eh. Pinagpawisan, tapos ang lamig. Di ba kapag pinagpapawisan ka, tapos nalamigan yung likod mo dahil may pawis, yun. I knew it. So, ayan, ganyan na nga. Pero she's fine right now. You say hi, baby. Ganyan lang siya. Mabait naman kahit may sakit. Alam nyo, nakakatuwa. Di ba yung ibang mga bata, kapag may sakit, masungit, grumpy. Pero siya hindi. Yeah, she's extra sweet kapag mabait. She's like saying, I love you more. Well, she says, I love you more. Kaya naman hindi nagkasay. Pero I'm saying, more on and then ang bait. Kasi nga, di ba, tayong mga nanay, aminin nyo, nag-aaway tayo ng mga anak natin. Pag may sakit, hindi kami nagdidiskusyonan. Kasi ganyan eh, minsan may konting diskusyonan kayo lang sa pagkain, pag toilet, you know. Pag-gising nga yung, di ba tayo diretso na sa toilet? Ayoko nang hold niya yung pin niya. But anyway, ngayon, walang ganap, ganyan lang. Alaga na baby. Okay naman siya. So, mamaya, oh, you want popsicle? Yeah, and dito pala guys, lalo na sa kanya, kapag may lagnat siya, pinapakain namin ng popsicle. Popsicle na sugar-free popsicle. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. Wait lang ha. I'll just put it here, baby. It is still clean. Let me show them. Ayan guys, ito. Gusto na nito. Siya at saka yung dad niya mahilig sa popsicle. Sugar-free naman. Pero yung gusto niya, yung ito, yung orange flavor. So, bigyan ko siya. Nakakatulong to. Ano to? Recommended ng mga doctors dito. Ewan ko kung din sa Pinas. Pinapakain ng popsicle para, can you check if it's this flavor? I know you're good at checking them. I don't have that thing. No, here, I need a flashlight. Alam niya checking yung flavor. Lagyan lang sa is it?
That's dark.
That's the dark one?
You're supposed to put it on it.
Oh, this one, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that
Wait,
one?
put it on it. The popsicle.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, open it.
Guys, if this is light orange, you have to subscribe. If it's dark orange, you have to like.
Narinig you guys?
Oh, it broke.
Oh, it broke. Oh. Let's get different one. Ano siya guys, oh. Nakali. Let's just try different one though. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, that's yellow.
That's yellow. Hold on.
This is yellow.
You want that?
No, it's yellow.
Okay, let me find a different one. Why is that thing broke though? I think this one.
I told you it's yellow.
Yeah? Give me that one.
That's dark.
That's dark? I don't think there's more. Gusto niya yung light orange. Pag walang choice, pag wala na siyang choice,
Any light orange?
pag walang choice, kakainin din niya yung yellow, yung pineapple, at saka yung cherry flavor. I don't think there's an orange, baby. I think that, oh, this one. Okay, got that one? Yeah.
No, that's dark.
No, then eat that one. Baby, I don't think there's one more.
Give me it. Give me it.
What?
Give me the box.
No, hold on. Let me. Lagay ko na dun sa sa control. Yung ganyan na lang para yun na magahan. Okay, I think this one. Oh, I found one. Okay, there he is. Show the guys how it looks like.
If it's light orange, that's its splatter. And if it's dark orange or any other color, that's the light. Look at how you open it. You're supposed to open it.
No, you don't want to break it again. Just do the normal. Okay, I think you need help.
Oh.
You got it? Okay. Okay.
Light orange. You guys have to subscribe.
Ayan guys. O sige, kakainin muna niya to. And then mag-breakfast muna ako guys. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Meron pala akong delivery na anong tawag dito? Christmas tree. Di ba nung pumunta kami sa Home Depot, naghanap kami ng Christmas tree ni Abby, wala akong makita na gusto ko yung twinkling. Kasi yun ang mabili ngayon eh. Yung twinkling siya. Meron na ibang size, yung 7.5 feet size. Eh gusto ko 9 feet. Gusto ko ng mas malaki. Yung dati namin na Christmas tree na 7.5, binigay ko na sa sister-in-law ko. Kaya sabi ko sa asawa ko, I need to get this Christmas tree this year. Too bad, they didn't have a stock. We went to 2 different stores, wala. Online, wala. I think mabili. Because we talked to one of the employees there. He said they just got the order the other day for like 20 boxes. Gone in like an hour. So, hindi na ako maghihintay kung kailan magkakaroon. So, nag-order na lang ako ng iba. Hindi siya twinkling, but 9 feet. Iba yung mga setting mode sa mga light, pero okay rin na yun. Kasi nga, ang importante yung gusto ko yung height eh. So, pakita ko sa inyo, pero hindi muna kami magde-decorate. Kasi nga, hinihintay kong matapos yung Thanksgiving. Pwede naman decorate ba? Pero ako, mas gusto kong matapos muna yun. Kasi nga, nasabi ko sa ibang vlog ko na big deal sa kanila yung Thanksgiving, guys. So, hintayin natin yun and then, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung itsura. Hi guys. So, tapos na ako mag-breakfast. Kailangan ko uminom ng gamot. Meron akong lisinopril and then carvedilol. High blood na ako, guys. I'm 47 years old. Nag-start akong mag-take ng maintenance noong after I gave birth kay Avery. 3 days after nagkaroon ako ng complications, I got fluids on my lungs, na-emergency ako, and then they removed the fluids. I took diuretics, something. I have to pee like every 30 minutes. So that one ruled out. Pero they found out yung blood pressure ko hindi nag-stable. So they monitor me for like a day. And then yun nga, they decided na bigyan na ako ng maintenance. I'm not sure price guys kasi nasa lahi. Yung mga kapatid ko, nasa age 35, mga cousins ko, nung mga bata pa, yung kuya ko, kahit nung 30 years old siya, nag-start na siya, my parents, you know, nasa lahi, and then diabetes din. So, ngayon, nagtatake na ako nito, everyday, kailangan, alam niyo guys, minsan sinusubukan ko na hindi mag-take, kasi sabi, pwede mo daw maalis ito, change mo lang yung lifestyle mo, have a balanced diet, you know, you have to exercise, you eat healthy food. Hindi naman ako healthy person, nakita naman taba-taba ako, di ba? Tinatamad na ako mag-workout, tapos mahilig ako kumain, mahilig kami kumain, kaya lumaki na lumaki, kaya yung asawa ko. Pero, ano bang gagawin ko, di ba? Life is too short, guys. Life is too damn short. Hindi mo alam kung buhay ka pa next week, kaya sige lang kung ano yung nagpapasaya sa'yo. Ako lang yun ha. Kami lang yun. Kung ano yung nagpapasaya sa amin, go. Go. Kung gusto mo kainin yan, kainin mo. Uminom ka na lang ng tea. So, yun ang ginagawa ko ngayon, guys. Ang sabi nila maganda yung green tea or yung turmeric ginger tea. So, after eating, yun ang iniinom ko. Pero ito, wala, hindi na maalis ito. Like I've said, tinry kong hindi uminom. Or minsan kapag nakalimutan ko, alam ko, let's say afternoon na, nagpapalpitate ako guys. I feel anxious also. So ito, dapat ito laging important ito. Muna kapag, let's say, we're going on vacation, tapos nakalista to. Nasa number 1 list ko yan. Inaano ko pa yan. Nag-a-alarm pa ako para hindi ko makalimutan. So, yun guys. And then yung anak ko, si Avery, nagka-claritin. Only kapag ano lang, peak season ng allergy peak season, like, diba, fall dito, pa-winter na. Nag-start siya ng mag-take nito ng first week of August. And then, mag-i-stop siya ng around, I think, December. And then, mag-take siya ulit ng around second week of February. Ano na yun? Spring. Allergies, contra allergies, so nag-take siya ng Claritin. Ito guys, chewables then for kids. Same din, sa asawa ko, meron din siya tinitin. My God, I think I told you guys na ang daming nilang mga allergies. Eh kasi dito sa Vegas kasi, number 1 kasi yung environment, di ba? Disyerto kasi dito. And then, anong tawag dito? Dry heat. Walang mga halaman, walang moisture. Kaya yun. Prone sila sa allergies. Okay guys, ayusin ko lang ito, and then mamaya, balikan ko kayo ulit. Babe! The Christmas tree got delivered. Hi baby! She's still sick. Hi daddy!
Hi!
Hi! The Christmas tree got delivered.
Oh, did it?
It's outside, yeah. You might get...
I do mine.
I'm excited.
I know.
Avery, watch out, baby. Let's see. The Christmas tree finally got delivered. Oh. Which one is this? The tea?
17.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you ordered it.
Yeah, I ordered it. You need help? You can do it, Daddy. I can help you. Baby, no, don't touch that. I can help you. You got it? Okay. Okay, just put it on this side, babe. Thank you so much. No, not yet, baby. After Thanksgiving. Thank you, babe. So this is the Christmas tree we ordered online. Because when we went to Home Depot, they don't have the one that I really like. Thanks, babe. So I hope it's really nice. It's a 9-feet one. Okay? Pakita ko sa inyo kapag ilalagay na namin. You're going upstairs? So, ayun guys, na-deliver na yung Christmas tree na in-order natin online. Sana maganda. But anyway, Nagmimerienda lang ako, guys. Ano ngayon dito? It's 3:53 p.m. Maagang umuwi si Greg from work. Buti nakauwi yan, naipasok yung Christmas tree. Kung hindi ako magpapasok. Anyway, nakagawa pala ako ng lumpia, guys. Ito. Chicken lumpia na Shanghai. Hindi ko na pinakita kanina kasi matrabaho yung paggawa ng lumpia, di ba? Nagbabalot, tapos may camera and all that. But anyway, ganito ang paggawa namin, guys. Tapos ilalagay sa freezer, ilulutuin ito sa November 27 pa sa Thanksgiving. Pag piprito, kinakat namin ng 3 pieces. So, ganun, guys. Lagay ko nga muna ito dun sa sa freezer. Dali lang, guys, ha. Kumusta kayo, guys? Kwentuhan tayo. Magmimerienda lang ako, napagod ako kakagawa nito. Lagay ko lang sa freezer. So, ayun, guys. Nailagay ko na doon. Meron tayong persimmons dito. Magaganda, oh. Alam niyo, paborito ko to. Kaya lang seasonal siya. Nagkakaroon nito around I think first week or second week of October. Tapos paubos na yan. Wala na yan. Before Christmas, wala na nito. So, kami ni nanay, mahilig kami dito. So, magmimerienda ako, itong kakainin ko, guys. Nagugas na ako ng 2. So, gusto ko lang pahinga. Napagod ako sa paggawa ng lumpia. Kakapagod gumawa nun, guys. Yung mga gumagawa na lumpia, I'm sure alam yung nakaka-relate sa sinasabi ko. So, yun nga. Yung anak ko, may sakit. Pero, nag-take na ng Tylenol. Sana bukas, wala na yung lagnat. Ano lang na common cold. Pero na, may change ang weather. Ayun. Tapos sa school, umulan nun, tapos pinag-PE pa. Masakit. Pero yung anak ko, guys, may asthma yan. Parang sila ng asawa ko. Pero manageable na kasi nag-take siya ng inhaler every morning. Dati madalas kami sa emergency dahil nagkaka-asthma attack. Simpleng lang, guys, simpleng cold. Or napagod sa kakatakbo. Simpleng usok. Ayan. Grabe, guys. Pero na ako wood. May wood ba dito? Ito. 2 years nang wala. Kasi nga, meron kaming pulmonologist na specialista sa lungs na refer ng pediatrician niya. So, since then, walang episodes. Pero, yun nga, nag-inhaler siya every morning. Pero sabi ng doktor, childhood asthma. Nag-7 na siya, so mawawala, gradually. Pero, sa April niyan, susubukan na ni Sinyon. Bali, iwi-win na siya. Iwi-win na dun sa kanyang inhaler. Tignan kung maayos kapag hindi na siya gumagamit nun. And then, kapag na lang, when needed na lang. So, yun ang sa anak ko, namana niya sa tatay niya. Kaya, tapos, hindi pa nakakatulong kung saan kami nakatira sa States, dito sa Las Vegas. Kasi nga, disyerto. Ang bagay sa kanila, guys, humid. Tulad ng Hawaii, California, maganda yung weather doon. Sa Florida, yung mga ganun, guys. Kaya lang, ayaw namin tumira doon. Okay na muna kami dito sa Las Vegas. Kami, nag-start talaga dito sa Las Vegas. Pero si Greg, he's originally from Kansas. Doon sila lumaki. Tapos, yung ate niya, nag-move sila sa California. Way back, wala pa ako dito. And then, pero dito kami sa Las Vegas nag-meet kasi nga, yung ate niya, lumipat sila nung asawa niya dito sa Las Vegas. Kaya kami ever since, nauna si ate, and then si nanay, and then na-petition kami, sa mga bago dito guys, petition ako ng dad ko, kaming magkakapatid. Hindi ako nakarating dito dahil sa asawa ko, nope. Like I've said, there's nothing wrong with that. Sa mga nakapag-asawa ng American, walang masama doon. Of course, yung asawa ko, gagawin din sa akin yun but before I met him, nandito na ako, green card holder na ako guys. And then after 5 years, I filed for my citizenship. True yung sa petition ko, hindi rin dahil napangasawa ko siya, no. Naging citizen ako, sina kuya, yung dalawa kong nakakabatang kapatid. So, yun, yung mga bago dito guys, in-explain ko na paano ko nakarating dito. But yun nga, pero balak namin lumipat ng ibang state dahil dito kasi sa Las Vegas, parang ano kasi dito more on, ay, hindi naman tumatawag sa akin. More on dito mga turista. So, walang ganong mga locals talaga. Meron man, mga ilan-ilan, pero gusto namin kasi yung environment na family-oriented. Hi, baby. How are you feeling? Good. So, balak namin lumipat. Pero, hindi pa siguro ngayon kasi mataas ang interest rate ng bahay. Itong bahay namin, binili namin 2019. Mababa pa interest rate noon. So, mababa ang binabayad namin. Kung ibebenta man namin to, magkaka-equity na kami. Meron na kaming kikitain. Kaya lang ang problema, bibili ka ng bagong bahay, mataas ang interest rate. Dahil, baby.
How dare you hide this from me?
Wait, it's dill pickle. I don't think you like that one. But anyway, mataas ang interest rate right now. Imagine yung interest rate namin, 2% lang. That was 2017, ay 2019, and then tumaas. Pero ngayon I think nasa 7% pa. Pero bago namin nabili itong bahay na to, we had a house. Yun ang starter home namin. And then after a year, drink some water we got that house 2016. We got married in February 2016. And we bought that house, I think October 2016. And then, we sold it November of 2018 kasi nga, bumili kami ng bagong bahay. They built this one kasi nainganyo kami, yung kuya ko nakabili ng bagong bahay din malapit dito, like 10 minutes drive. They bought a house and so we decided to sell our house. So we sold it. We stayed at their house for, I think that was November until April because they were building this. And then doon kami, at kasi my parents and then my dad, doon nangyari yung aksidente niya. We had a birthday party for my nephew. That was March 23rd. And may uminom, you know, my dad loved drinking and karaoke. Uminom, lasing, and then because him and my mom, they were staying downstairs. Yung kasi bahay ng kuya ko, 3-story siya. The second floor is the living room and the kitchen, so doon yung party. And then siya and then ang sinanay, nag-stay sila downstairs. There's a theater room there, so they were staying there. There was a bed there. And then third floor, yung mga 4 rooms doon. Doon kami nag-room. Baby pa nun si Avery, she was I think 6 months old. So, ang nangyari, mayroong bisita. Second floor, normally kapag umiinom siyang ganyan, nasa ano lang siya, sa second floor, mag-stay doon, matutulog. Kaya lang mayroon pang mga bisita. So, he decided to go down para nga samahan na si nanay. Si nanay, nauna na. Lasing, bababa. You think of it, yung stairs na yon, yung si bahay ni kuya, hati yung mga hagdan. Hindi lang direct mahaba. Nung bumaba na siya, may stair na gano'n, siguro mga 6 steps. And then nakarating siya doon sa isa pang area doon na pababa, mga 8 steps na lang yon or probably 7 steps. Yun. Face down. Knockout. Daming dugo. Nagpapahinga na kami. That was around, I think, 2 a.m. na yun. So that was already March 24th. Sina kuya, mga kamag-anak, mga kaibigan, nag-iinuman pa, and then they heard boom, and then they checked, it was my dad. So they were all drunk. They don't know how to like talk to the what do you call this, 911. So they knock on our door. We were sleeping. It's just already like 2 a.m. So they knock on our door. They told Greg to call 911, and then we saw what happened, and Dad was bleeding, like unconscious. So they called 911, dinala si Dad. They can't drive because mga lasing. So nakasama lang my husband and my sister. They drove behind the ambulance para makasunod. So dinala siya sa trauma. We have trauma hospital here. Actually, we have a real good trauma hospital. So dinala doon, yun nga. And then he was comatose for like almost 2 months. So ganyan na nangyayari, guys. And then there is his sister. I think sa iba ko na araw kwento. Pero yun, so kaya kami nung nalipat dito, wala na, hindi na nakita ni Tata, which is really hard, you know, but that's how life is, you know. Kaya sinasabi ko nga, life is too short. You're fine right now, you don't know the next day. Tignan mo siya. Yeah, he was diabetic, but kung hindi siya nang-inom, mahilig uminom, hindi mangyayari sa kanya, di ba? But regardless, there's always a reason kung paano ka mawawala rin sumano. It's always, wala tayong control doon. So, ito okay. Natanggap naman namin. And then, dito na kami since then, mababa lang ang interest rate. So, I'm still good with the mortgage. Ganun lang life. Alam niyo kapag nagkukwento ako, dati nahiya pa ako pero ngayon parang kayo kakwentuhan ko. Yeah, may camera dyan, pero feeling ko harap ko kayo. Kaya mamit ko kayo, no? Mga nasa Pinas, or maybe mayroon taga dito sa Vegas. Kaway-kaway yung mga taga sa mga Las Vegas. Comment down below. Kaway-kaway, pwede tayong mag-meet, you know? Okay guys, tapusin ko muna itong merienda ko. That's it for today. I wish I could share with you. Ang sarap, guys. Pag may merienda pa ako, meron akong Nova, Nutella, tsaka yung mga both tarts na dala ni ate. So, thanks for watching, guys. Kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe, like, and share. Bye! Thank you!